Welcome to another video tutorial on binary numbers. And what I'm going to be covering in this video tutorial is the difference between a kilobyte and a kilobyte, and this can sometimes crop up in maybe 1-mark exam questions where it will ask you to define the difference between a kilobyte and a kilobyte. And basically what you've got to say is this, that a kilobyte is 2 to the 10, so 1024 bytes, and a kilobyte is 10 to the 3, so 1000 bytes. So if you're defining these terms, you can just say, or state the difference, might be the question, is you can just say that a kilobyte is 10 to the 3 bytes, and a kilobyte is 2 to the 10 bytes. And this is the same for a gigabyte or a gigabyte or any other magnitude of information. Okay, so I'm just going to go through this in a bit more detail then. So you need to be aware that quantities of bytes can be represented by binary prefixes and decimal prefixes. Binary prefixes are powers of 2, so you can see that here we've got kibi, which I've talked about in the previous section of the video, which is 2 to the 10, mebi, which is 2 to the 20, and so on, where you get 2 to the 30, 2 to the 40, and these are just ascending powers of 2, which can be used to represent quantities of bytes, and these are known as binary prefixes. You also need to be aware of decimal prefixes. So these are the powers of 10, so kilo, probably the ones that you're more familiar with. So kilo, 10 to the 3, mega, 10 to the 6, giga, 10 to the 9, tera, 10 to the 12. And these are generally the ones that we come across sort of in everyday computing. And these ones, these binary prefixes, you need to be aware of them as a computer science student, but you might not necessarily have heard of them before. But yeah, that's the detail that you need to know to answer these short questions, distinguishing between the binary prefix of a quantity and the decimal prefix of a quantity. Thank you for watching.